Here's what nobody is telling you. There's a smarter way of selling AI websites to local businesses such as hair salon, chiropractor, real estate agents, or plumber. And all you need is ChatGPT, Google Map, and a little bit of copy and paste of the website code that the AI gonna generate for us. And there's no coding, no hours of building websites on WordPress, and you can do this with all businesses and all industry. So this is a plumbing website that I made completely from scratch for plumber, as you can see, and this is our AI bot, and all I have to do is just click and speak with the AI with no phone number, no chat bubble, and no filling out stupid form. And because it's so easy, this will allow the website visitor to interact more with the business with less friction, book more calls, asking more questions, and inquire more about the business, therefore making the business more money. Hello?
Hi there. You've reached Swan's Professional Plumbing. How can I help today? Do you need to book a plumber, have a quick question, or want to call back?
I mean, how much do you guys charge?
We don't charge a call-out fee. The plumber will inspect first and then give you upfront pricing before any work starts. Exact cost depends on the issue, access, and parts. Would you like to book an assessment so we can provide a firm quote? If so, what suburb are you in?
North Perth suburb. And what's the call out fee?
Thanks for confirming North Perth. There's no call-out fee. The plumber will assess on-site and give you clear upfront pricing before any work begins. Would you like the next available appointment, or do you have a preferred daytime?
I need the plumber at my house tonight at 7 p.m. Urgent.
Got it. You need a plumber tonight at 7 p.m. in North Perth. This sounds urgent. I'll get this moving.
Right, guys, so this is the kind of bot that we're gonna help business owner install in their website or even make a brand new smart website for them. First, you want to head over to Google and write plumber in blank city. You can use anything, but in this case, I will use plumber in Sydney. And again, this works for any other industry, including hair salon, real estate agents. So you want to scroll down to this more business area where it actually lead you to more businesses in this area. Now, instead of asking you to find a business who doesn't have a website, which is very rare in 2026, everyone here is going to have a website, but the problem is that their website is normally old, outdated, and does not have the ability and the functionality of an AI agent interacting with their website visitor. So you can really pick any website. I'm just gonna open a few right now from plumber in Sydney. So obviously this guy have a very smart website, and based in Australia myself, he actually have a 1300 phone number. So I'm probably don't want to pitch this guy because his website is already well built. Now, I don't know about you guys, but in Australia, we're looking for a phone number with a +614. So if someone have a mobile phone number on Google, that means they don't have a front desk receptionist. So it means their business is relatively quite small. It's easier to talk and reach out to the owner. And normally at the same time, their website is also outdated because these kind of indicated business with, 4 or 5 team member in place, right? Easy to reach out to if you're just starting out. So this have a 044 number, meaning that it's a mobile phone, and you can see here the website here is very old school, very outdated, 2021 feel. So the only way to get in touch with the business is to fill out this form, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to copy and paste this website by clicking here, and then we're going to go to this ChatGPT prompt, and we're going to insert the website right here. This prompt's telling ChatGPT to say, I want you to scrape this website and build me an AI agent that can answer FAQ based on the scraped data, price objection handling, book jobs and appointments for this business, and ultimately make this business more money. It's going to be a live agent sitting on their website, take phone call when click on, keep it below 8,000 character, including space. Very, very simple prompt. We're going to copy the whole thing to ChatGPT right now. So what GPT do is that it's actually scrape the entire website, all of the info, FAQ, contact number, address, and actually put an AI bot for us together. Now, while we're waiting for the prompt, we want to head over to our HighLevel and go to site plus website. And then we want to actually create a new website, and we want to pick from the template that HighLevel is already given us because we want to make life easier for us, right? So you can actually write the industry that you pick for here, which is plumber. Now there's a 3 website template. You can pick anyone. The yellow one is what I picked out. I'm gonna try a different one this time for you guys. So we're gonna choose this template, and HighLevel is gonna be adding the website template for us. Now, just quickly, guys, if you want our complete AI agent snapshot that can book appointment, reply to text and messages throughout WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, and actually follow up with lead with accurate pipeline management, make sure that you like this video. It would help a lot with the algorithm, and actually subscribe because we're putting out more AI content like this in this channel. And comment the word AI below. We'll send you our complete free no-code AI agency training alongside with GoHighlevel 30-day trial, plus our copy and paste AI agent snapshot with all the functionality that I just mentioned, including a smart website like this. Now, coming back to HighLevel, this is one of their template. Again, you could just use any template. This one doesn't really look great compared to the yellow one personally, right? But just for the sake of this video, we're gonna put the AI agent right here where it say book an appointment, right? So the theme here is actually white and blue. Now, coming back to our HighLevel, we're gonna head over to our EchoSetter assistant, which is our AI integration with HighLevel. And you want to head over to assistant. We want to create a brand new assistant from scratch. Okay, generate assistant. We're going to give it a name. We're going to say plumber AI agents, right? And this is for plumber website, right? And we're going to click generate assistant, right? So our plumber AI agent is ready, and by default our EchoSetter AI software have a default prompt ready to go. So now this is where we head back to ChatGPT, where it generate all this prompt, and all we have to do is just copy and paste this prompt that ChatGPT generated for us from the data that is scraped from the website. Okay, so we're gonna start with identity, and we're gonna copy and paste the entire thing all the way down. So until closing line, we're gonna copy and paste this, and we're gonna paste it right here. After you paste the prompt, click save change, and then you want to head over to widget here and click create widget. And we want to really select floating orbs because this is the floating reactivation orb for your website. Again, this is really helpful because it doesn't require people to fill up a form to speak to anyone. There's no phone call, there's no email, there's no chat bubble, right? So we're gonna say plumber website for YouTube video. So I'm creating this one for this particular video live with you guys. So this is inside our floating orbs, guys. So first of all, we need to select an AI agent model that we need to link them to. So you can link these orbs to any bot that you have built, but we're just gonna link to the one that we previously have built, obviously, which is plumber agent. And then we want to select an icon, so whatever resemble plumbing, and we're just gonna put a smiley face right here. All right, I'm not that creative. And the color, you want to be matching that with our website, which is blue and white here. I guess you can have black one because black will stand out in the white background. Let's put black, and we click select and click get code. So this is a short code that it generates. All we have to do is just click copy code, and we come to the website builder here. Again, you can place it anywhere on the website, but I recommend that you place it on the above the fold. This is where people see it when they first visit the website. So what I do is I'm gonna delete this form, and I click add here. And I want to add another element, which is, let's just add a column first. And then we're going to add an element that's saying custom code. So this is a custom code element. And all we have to do is click in this code, open code editor, and then really paste this 15-line code that you just copy and click save. We're going to hit save right here on our website builder. And then we're going to click preview on what that actually look like before we send it to our prospects or our client. So just FYI, this is probably not the best example in terms of aesthetic. As you can see here, it look not great at all. This is why I picked the other website template, which is the one that you see in the beginning of the video, right? But I do want to make this live with you guys on this video. So actually, if you look at this website on a mobile view, it's actually not that bad, but on desktop, it's horrible. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on this bot and pop with the AI agents. Hello.
Hi, welcome to Sydney Plumbing and Drainage. How can I help today? Are you looking to book a job, get a quote, or need urgent help?
I need urgent help. How can you help me? What do you do?
I can help right now. What's the plumbing issue you're having? Is there active leaking, flooding, gas, or no hot water? What suburb are you in, and your best phone number?
I live in West Sydney, and my phone number is 04123123. Right. How soon can you come? And can you come by 7 p.m.?
I can't confirm a 7 p.m. arrival or exact cost without booking details.
All right. So you can see here the bot can actually book appointment if we fully integrate it with a calendar, and it can actually do lead capture at the same time by asking for phone number, email, contacts, and address. And it's also smart enough to actually do a little bit of price and objection handling based on the rule that we give it. And the information is straight from the website. As you can see, it redirects me to call the business owner directly for case of emergency. And just remember, guys, we set this up in a matter of 2 to 3 minutes right now with you live. And you can do it by going to Google Maps and find outdated website for small business owner and upsell them on the smart AI agent website that can do so much for their business. Now, the next smart website that we want to show you is our real estate website. So as you can see here, it's a little bit sophisticated. We have a form here for people who actually can opt in, and the AI will actually call them, and we outline this only work for US and Canadian phone number. And we also have this floating orb that work exactly the same way, but this AI agent is prompt to learn more about our business.
Hey there, this is Mia with EchoSetter AI. How are you doing today?
Doing good. What exactly do you do?
I help businesses like yours streamline operations and connect with customers more effectively. We use AI to automate outreach, schedule appointments, and manage communication so you can focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down.
How much do you charge?
That's a great question, but I don't have pricing details in front of me right now. Let me have someone from our team follow up with you directly.
All right, guys, this is exactly what I meant. This is a self-selling website. The goal is to turn website visitor into warm qualified lead and book appointment directly with you using the exact same AI agents that you're going to sell to them. So we actually use a huge proof of concept here by using what we're going to be selling them. And on top of this website is full of targeted message for real estate agent, at least for my business, with all of the testimonial, how the AI work, copywriting, and call recording from the exact AI agent themselves. Again, this is a snapshot that we actually give away to people who is part of our Skool community, our high-level affiliate network, or our EchoSetter army. This website template is part of your AI agent snapshot. So if you head over to site, you can see one funnel here, which is EchoSetter website for business niche. So you want to click on it and click edit. So you can see here on this website or funnel, we changed the copywriting to match broad business owner niche because we don't want to have a specific real estate website because not everyone is going to be needing that, right? So this say deploy our AI agents that work 24/7 for your business. And this is the custom code that you need to actually put in there. So if you put in a code, there's actually a default bot for you ready to use there. However, if you want to make a specific AI agent for your business, make sure that you actually check out this video that I put on the screen right now. We actually have a couple of AI agents ready for you to copy and paste, and then we're going to show you how to edit the prompt so that the AI agents understand your business, booking appointments for you, and making more sales for you. Now, the best part about this AI agent website, it also have a form to actually fill up to actually capture lead with phone number, email, and full name, and the AI agent will call them based on the number that they give us. Now, this website also have a custom value that make it very easy for you to edit and enter your agency or business information right here. Don't worry, I will be showing you the custom value part in a bit. Scrolling down to this website, you can see here we have all the copywriting done for you. And then on the About Us section, we have a new custom value where we can position you as our business partner. You can see here Vico Kang as CMO, and then you can replace yourself here as CEO. Now, the reason for that is that it just make a lot more sense because underneath there was our testimonial and our call recording. So it have a little bit of my name and my face on it. So it makes sense to have me as CMO. And technically, if you actually download our snapshot and become part of our affiliate network anyway, you're kind of my business partner in a sense. So it really makes sense that way. So down here, we actually have AI agent handling real conversation with different industry here. We actually showcase all of the call recording here, and all you have to do is just fill in the custom value and the website will be yours. Okay, so heading back to our GoHighlevel menu here, we want to select setting and we want to select custom value. Okay, so inside the custom value, we have two folders in the snapshot. And if you want a full in-depth video of how the snapshot works, make sure that you check this video out, but don't do it just yet. It might hurt the algorithm. I will leave a link to the full snapshot in the description. So inside the folder, we have our AI snapshot and our AI website. So we want to click on the website right here. And then you can see right now we have the CEO website, the call to action, which is the button that you saw. And then we have our contact us us page, our copyright year, domain link, footer disclaimer, founder image, business friendly name, and legal business name. You can just go ahead and just change this to however you want. This website will reflect that. I'm just gonna show you some example right now. Call action, I'm just gonna say subscribe below, and I'm gonna click update. For CEO name, I'm just gonna fill out John Smith, right, which is the most common white name, and we're gonna click update here. And for copyright year, we're gonna click 2030. Contact us page, we can go rico@gmail.com, something like that. And that's just enough example for you guys. And we're gonna click save here, and we don't have to do anything here. We're just gonna go back to the website, and we're gonna click save again. Everything is safe, and we're gonna click this eye icon. Let us preview the website. So as you can see here, the button is subscribe below. The bot is still there. It's our default bot. The CEO name is John Smith. You know, if you just scroll down to contact email and contact us, it's just gonna have this email, right? And the copyright year is 2030. Exactly what we just fill in the custom value. So basically the time for you to set up this website is the amount of time that it take you to fill out all the fields in the custom value, which is 2 to 3 minutes maximum. Okay. All right, guys. Hopefully this video makes sense. And actually, if you want to know how to make money from AI agents or just AI products in general, like make sure that you comment the word AI below in the comment. We will send you our free no-code AI agency training alongside with a 30-day GoHighlevel trial. And on top of that, you get our complete AI agent snapshot with all of the smart selling website and a bunch of other features. A lot of guru will teach you all of this AI trick, this AI prompt, open cloud and all that stuff, but are they actually really making money selling the products or just selling you tactic and courses? Well, we actually have an agency who actually help local business owners, especially real estate agents, solve their problem by booking more appointments, replying to more leads, and making the more money, and then therefore they're just paying us what we make them. So this is Rico Kang. Comment AI below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.